let me show you how you can generate some amazing quotes for whatever niche you want using our brand new AI quote generator in Kittl. Here is where you can select a niche. Just simply choose any of these options you see here, or you can click and type in your own down here. Like, for example, I could type in pickleball or any other sport, for example, that you don't see here. But for now, I'm going to select gaming from the preset menu. Click continue, and then here you can click a mood for what kind of quotes you're going to get. I'm going to go with sarcastic, and then down here at the bottom you can pick a length for the quote you want. So you could go all the way up to 16. I'm going to go 5 to 8 words. It takes 1 credit to generate all of those quotes, and so now you can see on this page it has generated a bunch of gamer quotes. So eat, sleep, game. This one says, I went outside, the game was better, I'm a gamer, not a nerd. Now I could use this quote, which will open up the editor, or I can copy it or download it as a text file. If I use this quote, boom, it opens up a new project in the Kittl editor right here for me to easily use however I want. But let's go back, and I want to show you, if I select right here, if I click download all, what it'll do is it'll give me a text file. So boom, I clicked it open, 12 sarcastic gaming quotes right there, TXT. So now you can see all of these quotes right here. I really like this one, my other ride's a dragon. So I'm going to use that as a basis to actually make a shirt now. So I have, maybe not every single one of those is an idea I want to use, but I will use this one. So I'm going to go in the elements here. I'm going to select a dragon icon. I'm going to go for a basic t-shirt with text and just an icon of a dragon here. I'm going to make the dragon red. I'm going to enter some text. I'm going to put my ride is a dragon. Then I can select a font, a more of a vintagey font, like medieval font that kind of goes with this dragon. Again, super basic t-shirt, but it was really easy to come up with because I used the AI quote generator. So I didn't have to do any hard work in trying to figure out the quote. I already know this one is a good one. And then I can easily mock it up here in Kittl as well. So using a lot of different tools here, you can get some amazing t-shirt designs. I think this guy looks really cool with the dragon, or maybe let's find a different mock-up, maybe of a sweater. This one right here, maybe. Yeah. And then if I zoom in here, you can actually see, like, it's really nice because you can see the thread. So let me zoom in here. I can use the plus button to get in here. You can see all the threads of the sweater there. So this is a really cool way to use the AI quote generator to make your t-shirts and merch designs. Now, if you want to see other tutorials using Kittl, I have these videos here on my right that I know you're going to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos and features and things like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.